हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। कैसे हैं आप सभी? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे, अच्छे से होंगे। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 4th की इंग्लिश की बुक का लेसन 12, जिसका नाम है हर्ट नो लिविंग थिंग। तो यहाँ पे प्री रीडिंग सबसे पहले हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, तो इन्हें करते हैं। हैव यू एवर विजिटेड अ जू? क्या आप कभी जू गए हो? यस। Have you ever seen anybody teasing or hurting animals? Yes, I have seen snack charmers playing a bean. How do you feel if someone hurts you? You may feel angry and sad. अब हम करते हैं ये लेसन रीड। Hurt no living thing, hurt no living thing, ladybird nor butterfly nor moth with dusty wings, nor cricket chirping cheerily, nor grasshoppers so light of leap, nor dancing gnat, nor beetle fat, nor harmless worms that creep. अब हम इसके वर्ड मीनिंग्स देखते हैं। हर्ट यानी कॉज पेन, चीयरली यानी हैप्पीली, डस्टी यानी फुल ऑफ डस्ट, लीप यानी जंप। अब हम इसकी हिंदी करते हैं। किसी जीवित वस्तु को चोट न पहुंचाएं, किसी भी जीवित वस्तु का नुकसान न पहुंचाएं, ना भिंडी, ना तितली, ना धूल पर भरे पंख वाला पतंगा, ना प्रसन्नतापूर्वक चहचहाते झींगुर, ना हल्की छलांग लगाने वाले टिड्डे, ना नाचते हुए मच्छर, ना मोटे भृंग, न रेंगने वाले हानि रहित कीड़े। अब हम करते हैं इसकी टेक्सचुअल एक्सरसाइज। सबसे पहले कंप्रहेंशन। फर्स्ट, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड राइट ट्रू, टी फॉर ट्रू एंड एफ फॉर फॉल्स in the statement. Moth has beautiful wings. True. Cricket sings in a cheerful way. True. Grasshoppers can jump in the air. False. We should not hurt any living thing. True. फिर हमसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं। What does the poet ask us not to do? इसका आंसर है the poet asks us not to hurt any living things. What quality of cricket is highlighted in the poem? The quality of cricket is highlighted in the poem is that it has cheerful voice. What do you think is the color of the wing of the moth? The color of the wings of the moth is dusty type, which the poet suggests in the poem. What is the poet trying to suggest in the poem? The poet trying to suggest that each of us or anyone living in this world should be living peaceful. No one should hurt any other. अब हम करते हैं vocabulary. Pick out opposites of the following words from the poem and write them. Harmful, harmless, sadly, happily, thin, fat, heavy, light, dead, alive, bright, dark. Next है harmless is a describing word. In this word, less suffix has been added to the word harm, which can also add the suffix full to make the word harmful. Notice that the word harmless and harmful are opposite words, which here are a few more words adding in less and full. Careless, careful, useless, useful, hopeless, hopeful. Write at least 5 more words that take less and full as suffix, जैसे useless, beautiful, useful, worthless, wonderful. Fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate words from the box. तो यहाँ पे आपको बॉक्स में कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, इनको आपको फिलअप्स में फिल करना है। My mother is always careful. She crosses the road at the zebra crossing. They are very thankful for all the help that they have got. The rainbow after the rain yesterday was beautiful. My brother dropped his mobile phone into the bathtub and now it is useless. Our maid was careless. She broke out our dinner set. Next है dusty in dusty wings is a describing word in which suffix y has been added to the noun dust and y to each of the following nouns to form the adjectives and use them in your own sentences. One has been done for you. Rain, rainy. I always enjoy a rainy day. Cloud, cloudy. It's cloudy now. Dirt, dirty. Do not wear dirty clothes. Air, aerial. The aerial view is nice. Shine, shiny. The jewelry is shiny all time. Storm, stormy. According to the weather department yesterday will be stormy weather. Next है pick out the harmless and harmful things from the following living things and write them in appropriate column. तो यहाँ पे हमें हार्मफुल और हार्मलेस एनिमल्स इंसेक्ट की पिक्चर दिखाई गई हैं. आपको इनको लिखना है. जैसे हार्मफुल होगा मॉस्किटो, रैट, स्कॉर्पियन. बट हार्मलेस होगा फ्रॉग, हाउस फ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई, रैबिट, ग्रास हॉपर. Grammar. Read the following line from the poem. Nor cricket chirping cheerily. Here cheerily describe how cricket chirps. It describes the manner of chirping by cricket. It is thus of adverb of manner. It tells how the action is done. It is generally formed by adding ly to any adjective, but when the adjective ends in y, as in cheery, we need to replace the final letter y with I before adding ly. Cheerly, cheery plus ly, cheerly, merry plus ly, merrily. Here are some examples where the adjectives end in the letter y. Merry plusly, merrily, lucky plusly, luckily. If the adjective end in le, replace the e with y. Gentle becomes gently. Terrible becomes terribly. Now add ly in the words in bracket and complete the sentences. Read your lesson silently. We hear the news happily. Ritu sang sweetly. The baby is crying loudly. He did his work properly. He fought bravely. In the phrase living things living in a adjective, it tells us that the things are alive and not dead. Similarly, in the barking dogs, barking is an adjective. Now think of v plus ing type of adjectives that modifies the following nouns. Pick out the appropriate wing v plus ing given in the box and write it before the particular word given below. जैसे dining table, flowing river, shining stars, baking sticks, drinking water, bathing soap, frying pan, washing machine, dancing frog, jumping doll, swimming suit, racing car, writing pad, saving account, burning candle. Listening and speaking. Speak aloud the following pair of words: heard, hard, curd, card, bird, bard, burn, barn, firm, farm, hurt, heart. Think of some more such pairs of words and speak them aloud. Work in pairs and role play the following conversation between Ramesh and Kusum. Ramesh, Kusum, I hear a strange crying sound. Kusum, so do I. Ramesh, I feel the sound is perhaps coming from that side. Let's go and see. Kusum, if we go there, we had get late for school. Ramesh, don't worry. Look, someone needs help. We must help. Kusum, alright, let's rush there. They rush in the direction and find that chick is lying on the ground and crying. Ramesh, perhaps it has fallen from its nest. Kusum, let's put it back to its nest quickly, otherwise it may die. They put the chick in its nest and feel happy. Let's recite a poem describing the movements of various living things. Frog jumps, caterpillar humps, worms wiggle, bugs jiggle, rabbits hop, horse clop, snakes slide, seagulls glide, mice creep, deer leap, puppies bounce, kittens bounce, lions walk but I walk. फिर है राइटिंग. इमेजिन दैट यू प्लान टू विजिट a zoo next week. Write a paragraph describing your plan. You may include the following information: what time you will go, how you will go, with whom you will go there, what you will carry with you, what you will do there, how long you will stay there. इसका आंसर है आई हैव अ प्लान टू विजिट अ जू इन द नेक्स्ट वीक आफ्टर समर वैकेशन. आई विल गो देयर बाय बस. आई विल गो देयर with my family. I will carry my camera as well as my small bag also. I will go everywhere in the zoo. I will stay whole in the zoo there. फिर है look at the placard expressing love for animals. Love us, don't hate us, live and let live. Now make a placard against cruelty to animals and birds. फिर नेक्स्ट है फॉलो अप. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स ऑफ सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क इन गुरुग्राम डिस्ट्रिक्ट. विजिट दिस नेशनल पार्क और एनी other bird sanctuary in your state and make a list of birds that you see there. तो greater flamingo, black necked stork, Eurasian spoonbill, northern pintail. फिर नेक्स्ट हम करते हैं असेसमेंट. ये लेसन 10 से 12 तक है. फर्स्ट है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. तो यहाँ पे हमसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, इनके आंसर देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है अनारो लिव्स इन माउंटेन विलेज इन गढ़वाल हिमालयाज. ट्रीज गेव अस फ्रेश एयर, शैडो, फ्रूट्स एंड वुड. द विलेज वुमेन सेइंग चिपको हग टू द ट्रीज एंड stop man from cutting down trees. The quality of cricket is highlighted in the poem is that it has cheerful voice. The poet asks us not to hurt any living things. The color of the wings of the moth is dusty type, which the poet suggests in the poem. Rohan, Dr. Maria, teacher. Next है complete the passage by using appropriate words given in the box. तो यहाँ पे हमसे बॉक्स में जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं इनको हमें इसमें लिखना है. जैसे आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आई ब्रश माई टीथ विथ टूथब्रश एंड टूथपेस्ट, देन आई टेक माई बाथ बाय अप्लाइंग सोप ऑन माई बॉडी. I always use a clean towel to soak my body. After this, I apply some oil in my hair and brush with a comb. Then I wear my school uniform and get ready for school. Next, I rearrange the words in row to make meaningful sentences. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं children are playing in the park. नेक्स्ट होगा फ्लावर्स गिव अस स्वीट स्मेल. द काउ वॉज देयर इन अ फील्ड. पिकॉक इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल बर्ड. आई रीड अ न्यूज़ पेपर डेली. नेक्स्ट है राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन यूजेज ऑफ ट्रीज. यू मे इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स: ब्रिंग रेन्स, गिव आउट ऑक्सीजन, गिव शेड, मेकिंग एयर फ्रेश, गिव वुड. तो इसका आंसर होगा देयर आर वेरी नेसेसरी. Trees are very necessary for the living organisms as it provides important oxygen to them. Trees gives us fresh air. Trees gave us fruit, flower and shelter also. The wood fro trees also uses trees are also used for making the different like table, chair and etc. Next है complete the following sentences by using the most appropriate adverb from the box. The sun is shining brightly. He put the vase carelessly on the table. It fell on the floor. Read your lesson loudly. The sum is very easy. You can solve it easily. The children love to sing silently. अब हम करते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, हाउ शुड वी बिहेव विद लिविंग थिंग्स. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, नॉट हर्टिंग दैम. विच क्रिएचर हैज़ कलरफुल विंग्स. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, बटरफ्लाई. If opposite word of heavy is light, then opposite word of thin is. इसका आंसर होगा fat. Opposite word of sadly is. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, cheerly. What is opposite word of dead is. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, live. Who is the poet of hurt no living things. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, क्रिस्टीना रोसेटी. What is the adjective of air. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, airy. Find out the harmful creature from the following. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, स्कॉर्पियन. Making an appropriate combination by adding one of the following words before table. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, dining. Make an appropriate combination by adding one of the following word before table. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, burning. What does frog do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, jump. What does a caterpillar do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, hump. What does a worm do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, wiggle. What does a mice do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, creep. What does a seagull do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, glide. What does a horse do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, clop. What does a puppy do. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, bounce. What does a human being move. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, walk. तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 13 करवाऊँगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.